How to fix Instagram can't log in with Facebook. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't log in with the Facebook. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do next is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Instagram app like this, and after that click on it. And now you have to go into this force stop option right here, click on it and then go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Now you have to go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.